Hey y'all, it's Paula with Sparkle Farts Paper Crafts. Today I'm bringing you Fireflies and Starlight from Lottie's Magic Attic. I created this great cover shaker out of a die set that I have. Oh, didn't show you my spine. Isn't it pretty? I don't normally do this kind of book. I don't normally sew my signatures in. I'm not awesome at it, but I gave it a whirl this time and it turned out pretty good. I'm kind of proud of myself for this one. I'm jumping right in. I made some pockets of my own. I love this print. I almost forgot to add this print inside. Thank goodness I realized that. I made several of these little journaling folded papers. She included these in the kit. I mixed this kit with her Heirloom, kind of a basic building kit. That's where all the neutrals in this book are from. All the printed pages are from the Fireflies and Starlight set. This is just a random piece of grid paper in case somebody wants to doodle. I did include quite a few of the sentiments in here. And yeah, big old chunky piece of lace. She had this great little buildable, I don't even know what to call it, file folder tag thing. It's really cool. I like how it came together. I love the little window. Oops, I missed a page. So lots of writing pages. Here's a jelly print that I did. I feel like it really went well with this. She had these little, I don't even know what to call them, pockets maybe? These great little printables that fit nice and neatly inside. I didn't have anything for this pocket, but I thought the ultimate owner could stuff a picture in there or a note or whatever. This I made into a flip out, and it's full of writing pages you could do. I was thinking one about Grandma and Grandpa, of course Mom and Dad, aunts and uncles, cousins, fireflies, or lightning bugs as we call them here in Arkansas. For me, it's all about, family spending time together outside, running amok, out in the yard, eating some watermelon. Of course, Grandma on the rocker on the porch. Just all those warm, fuzzy childhood memories of me and my cousins running around the yard, seeing who could catch them, and being a little turds that we were, we'd pull their butts off and wipe on our clothes so that we'd have glow-in-the-dark clothes. Did have a couple of cute little dragonfly charm and a star. I thought they went perfect with this kit. This is another one of the little buildables that she had, just a layered tag pocket. And then over here, I didn't know which one of the printables went in this pocket. This one's a tiny bit small, but I think it works well, so I went ahead and used it. Didn't really have anything bigger that I liked better. I tried to leave as much open writing space because I really felt like someone could make this, a family memory book. There's just so many bits and pieces. You could give one of these to a family member and say, hey, write about that time at Uncle so-and-so's house that we did whatever. And get some cute little stories from the family going in here. I thought would be amazing. Another empty pocket. This one is actually velvet. Another page that I created. The jelly print on this side. I sprayed this side with, I think, 4 different colors. And this side was a jelly print, so this is acrylic paint. Another pocket that I built. And then back here, I printed the envelope from the Heirloom set. And then just filled it full of all the little bits and pieces I decided that I didn't want to glue in, but somebody might want in the kit. A few more of the sentiments that came with it. Butterfly from a random set that I had. I printed a bunch of butterflies out because you can never have too many butterflies. And that is the end of my book. I hope you enjoyed it.